Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, a very short speech for teachers and students to speak in the school morning assembly. And the topic is how prayer enrich our mind and soul. The most powerful form of energy one can generate is prayer. Prayer, like radium, is a luminous and self generating form of energy. Prayer is a complete diet of the soul. A very hearty morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi standing before you and would like to speak on the topic how prayer enrich our mind and soul. Everybody knows here that what is prayer. Prayer is the way to communicate with God, asking for help, to help our mind to relax, to help us feel that we are not alone in facing challenges, and it helps in letting our mind address the challenges in life. It gives a person peace in mind and soul. As my topic is how prayer enrich our mind and soul. Once Mahatma Gandhi ji said that prayer is not asking, it is longing of the soul. It is a daily admission of one's weakness. Prayer basically elevates our soul and cleanses our mind. It helps us to fight with tendencies like greed, anger, lust, jealousy, and temptations. It helps to keep us away from wrong choices and give us strength to think what is right and to do right. It helps healing at time of weakness and pain. Dear all, in short, prayer is that part which maintain our body, soul, and mind. It touches into the depths of our soul, cleanse, purify, restore us to wholeness and strengthen us for service in God's kingdom. And I can say that in this way, prayer enriches our mind and soul. Here I end. Thank you.